But think of the idea of working as an audience advocate. Just this week, I was talking to one of my good friends from NSA, Bob Phibbs. You might not know him, however, he's very, very successful, and he is known as the retail doctor. His market is retailers, and he has an online system that he sells to retailers, and it is outrageously successful. And this weekend, he is flying to China to deliver a 20-minute presentation. And he said, would you mind running it by me? And Bob's style is a tad more perhaps casual than mine, but what I do is look at every sentence. And we look at, I say, they wouldn't understand. And when I was speaking over there, I worked with an interpreter, and these people are brilliant. But now, he said, underneath my image will be AI in translating what I'm saying. So you have to be very, very clear. So we tightened, we included them with you-focused language, but I said, you are overlooking a magnificent opportunity. He starts speaking, it's not a bad opening. But I said, you have to walk out and say, "Daja hao," which is hello everybody in Mandarin. The very least you can do. You don't have to do anything else but show that you care about them. You make an effort to at least say, hello everybody. And I remember that because about 2000 or 2001, I delivered 13 different presentations, including all-day speaking school, with coaching and interaction being interpreted. And I hired a young woman who was born in Taiwan, and every Saturday for 3 months, I thought I could give all my punchlines in Chinese. No, 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 no. I came up with 20 words, and I wrote them phonetically on a page in the order I was going to do them. Now, even my version of Mandarin had to be interpreted, but the audience laughed, but they knew I cared. Then I said, not only are you going to change your closing line for your audience in China, you have to change it or for every audience. He is the retail doctor. And he said, I like to close the way a comedian does. I'm Bob Phibbs, the retail doctor. Thank you. I said, fine. I'm Bob Phibbs, the retail doctor. Thank you for the opportunity to discuss my prescription for your sales success.